Dear fellow instructors, over the past weeks, Airbus has issued a revision of the standard operating procedure together with new checklists and a revised briefing policy. This is the result of a 3-year journey alongside with a set of operators who contributed to this pretty significant revision of our standards. These operators were representative from all types of operation, from the short haul to the ultra-long haul, including the Airbus corporate jets. It's also operators that are using the full set of our products from the A320 to the A350. It does not include the A220 nor the A300 though. These operators are also representative from all continents and includes very different sort of cultures. Together, we have been working based on their feedback and our own Airbus experience in order to refresh our practices. The objective of this video is to share with you some high-level principles that we used to design those new SOPs and checklists, to stress the existence of training material that is available to provide you with extensive data and information to be able to deliver the training message, and ultimately stress the importance of your role as instructor in the change management process. So why did Airbus and this set of operators elected to change the SOPs and the checklist? First of all, there was a need to have shorter checklists in order to avoid the risk of interruptions. Secondly, we needed to have checklists that were sticking to the various phases of the flight, and also to introduce new checklists based on the experience that we gained in operation. Third, we needed to have checklists that were simpler, basically to get rid of the old down to the line and below the line concept. Although this concept had a lot of charm and been there for ages, it's definitely not a standard in the industry, and we took the opportunity of this revision to get rid of this down to the line and below the line concept. This being said, a lot of material has been produced and made available to operators through Airbus World. I encourage you to go and dig into these materials to have extensive understanding of the reason why we organize the procedure this way, either through the FCOM, the FCTM, or the training material that we have been delivering to your operator. As a pilot myself, I can say that I don't like very much change. I do prefer to stick to my routine, and I know that change is difficult. However, as an instructor, I know that I have a role to play in order to get the change to stick for the other pilots in my operation. That's why your role will be essential. Your operator will elect to embrace maybe part of the new SOPs or all the new SOPs. But you will have to be there in order to accompany this change, to give meaning to pilots, to explain the why. And for this reason, you will need to document yourself extensively, use the material that we have provided, and possibly ask questions to Airbus through the tech request channel alongside with your tech pilot or training manager. So I recommend that you embrace that change, you get to know the details, and together, let's make this evolution of our practices a new routine, a successful new routine for a safer operation. I thank you very much for your help and your support in the change management effort.